Hi, this is Vari from Scrappy Mania, and today I have a mini haul, and I haven't been doing a lot of upload lately because it's, a lot of things are going on in my life, and it's just kind of hard to upload and then take care of what I need to take care of. But I'm going to try this year to be more diligent and upload and do some more crafts. I haven't been making cards. I haven't been making anything, so I really need to get back to the groove and stuff. My sister-in-law is moving closer, so hopefully when we are crafting together, I can start uploading some of those, and hopefully she gives me that crafty spirit that I can continue on doing some of these videos and some of these crafts, because I do love crafting. It's just sometimes, you burn out or you don't have inspiration or life gets in the way, and that's what's been in my case. So the first thing I want to show you is I got this die from HSN, and I had a 20% coupon, so I decided to get the die. I've been eyeing this for a while, and it was 40 bucks on Anna Griffin's website. When it came out in HSN years ago, I think it was 3 years or 4 years ago, I did not purchase it because it was a little pricey. But when it came back to HSN and actually had a price drop in addition to the 20% off, so I decided to get it. And I think it came out to like $20-something. So it's a die that makes a wallet card, and you use it to put your gift certificates in here, gift cards or whatever. So I want to create some projects, some gift cards, because a lot of times we make cards for, with flowers and things like that. But we really don't make a lot of stuff for guys. So this is a perfect die cut that you can create a wallet card for a guy, and you can decorate it with guy stuff, and it'll look good without flowers. But you can also decorate it with flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my sleeve. Now I didn't save the paper. I should have saved the paper with inspiration, but I didn't. Now this is the other die that I went ahead and got from HSN. It's called Happy Christmas Ornament Dies. This is the inspiration sheet, and the reason I created this is because these will be good. These things will be good to put candies in it, and you can make an advent calendar by putting a number here and then hanging it to the tree, and then have your children, each day in December open and get a little gift or a little candy out of it. Same as I do like this house. I think it will be also a nice little stocking stuffer that you can create for people and put something in there. And also I like the angel. I got it on sale too, so that's why I wanted to get it, because I did get another 20% coupon, and I got it. So I already have it set. Usually when I get my dies, I put them on a magnetic sheet, and here's the house, and this is the die, and this is all Christmas, so I do have a Christmas container that I put all my stamps and dies in, and that's going to go in there, and it's ready to make some projects. So I'll be uploading some of my projects that I use for that. Hopefully I'll have time to do that. Then the other thing that I got was these doors. These are the Slimline decorative doors and windows, and you don't really need to have use it on Slimline. I think you can also use it on a regular card, a 5x7 card or any card. You can probably use this. So I had to get these because I'm obsessed with doors. I'm going to show you what I have with doors. So some time ago, Anna Griffin came out with these doors. It was a set of 2 as well, plus some ornaments for the doors. And this is the inspiration for that die. So because, I'm a collector, I decided to get the other door. In addition to that, the old set that she had came with embossing folders for like brick and stone. And then I found this is another door die that I got from Sizzix. That I found it on a clearance section. I went ahead and had to get that. And then this is another door that I bought in Spellbinder. It was on clearance as well, so I had to get that. So all these doors will be perfect for making some Christmas cards this year or next year. But, you know, I'm obsessed with those doors, so I decided to get it. And that goes in this envelope. And hopefully I can upload some projects using those doors. So let me close that. The other thing that I went and got was the Spellbinder Small Die and Large Die of the Month. I couldn't resist. I did stop the subscription some time ago because I was getting lots of dies and not using it. And if you're not going to be using your dies and just collecting them, you know, you're better off saving that money and doing something else with it. So I stopped the subscription. But whenever they brought out this card, I do have the truck, the old truck. I do have the Weekender. I think it's called Weekender or something like that. Is the other. They came out. Spellbinder came out with 2 vehicle dies. So I do have those 2 vehicle dies. So I had to get this one for my collection, and I love it that it has pumpkins and trees and the inspiration. They had some videos on YouTube on how to use this die, and the way they used it really made me want to get it. So I had to get it. And then, of course, when I saw this die, it's unique. It's a fireplace. I love it. Same kind of theme as a door. In my opinion, is architecture. So I decided to get this one. Now, the last thing I went ahead and got was this Anna Griffin Finishing School box. Holiday open house craft box. And the reason why I got this is because I've been eyeing this for the last couple of years. So this came out like 2 or 3 years ago. It was up there in price. I did not want to spend what they were asking for this box. And you get 20 cards. I think you can make up to 20 cards. It doesn't say here, but I think it's 20 cards. And, you know, I usually do cost per card. So if a card kit is more than 40 to 50 bucks and you only do 20 cards, I mean, that's still good. You know, it's about $2 plus cents a card, but still, I try to get it lower than that. So, it was really up there, and it's because it has a die, so I didn't get it at the time. But they actually dropped the price on this. In addition to that, my husband was able to find me a coupon online, and I got it for under 40 bucks. So I really wanted it, so he went ahead and got it for my Christmas. Actually, this is my birthday. My birthday's coming up in November, so this is my birthday present. So this is what you get. You get this house, and it's 4 cards. You can make an easel card out of the house. This is supposed to be Anna Griffin's house or her mansion, and I do like it, so that's why I got it. These are all the pieces that come, and these are the inspiration that you can do for this card, and I love that you can even put a little Santa Claus on top. So what you get of course some foam adhesive. You get all these wreaths. I love these little wreaths. Just look at a couple of these. And I usually like to leave them in the cellophane. I don't like to take them out because I lose them. Things get lost in this room pretty quickly, so I try to stay as organized as I can. So you have these that you can put on the door. And let's see, you got your Santa. And it has foiling on it. Then you have your little wreaths. And then you have your corner wreaths. So that, you know, you can use it like this. You can put your corner wreaths, your little wreath. Oh, and also probably has the planters in there. Somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. We got trees and planters. These are the planters. Oops. And the little trees. So pretty good. So let me just go ahead and put all this back so I don't lose these little pieces. And that's what also, I'm always very careful on little pieces because, you know, when you start crafting, especially if you craft with others, that's, I like to have company when I craft, but in order to contain the chaos, a lot of times I just put some pieces out and I don't bring everything out, because the more you bring out, the more chaotic it'll become. So I'll just put a couple pieces out. I'll have little containers like this that contain some of the pieces, and then I give them a couple of, you know, like maybe a couple of wreaths, and not all of the wreaths, but just a couple of wreaths for the cards and things like that. So that's what I usually do in order to contain that things don't get lost. Then you have your sentiments, and I'm not going to open that, but three-dimensional sentiments. That's going to be used to hold your easel card up, and you can make more of those. Then you have your paper. So these are the paper, and they're front and back, front and back. And these are the ones that you can use. Look at that. You can just cut out the house with the brick. Very pretty. Brown for the roof. You can use that for the roof. And it's pretty heavy cardstock. It's not cheap cardstock. Those are nice. And you can make cards for masculine cards with this as well, because you have some darker colors that will go well for masculine cards. I do like the ones that have like script in it. Okay, here's some more brick. And then, I don't know what this is. It's just regular plain white cards. Cardstock. So you get a pack of that. Then you get your envelopes. Then you get the pack of cards. This is for the card itself. And all the instructions should be there on how to use these. So I think these are, it should be in here, which one you use. I'll probably have to need to look at some videos for this, but I believe that these are the ones to use for the big, for when you make for the house itself. You want to use that for the card itself. Then you get a pack of these nice gold foil. And this is matte gold foil. I love that. And then what I really bought it for was for this die. So that is the outside of the die, the inside, the house, and then the little pieces to build up. These are the little pieces to build up your house. So very nice kit. So that's all that I got. And I hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Thank you for watching.